Not only do these remedies ensure the health and well-being of our four-legged friends, but they also provide substances can enter a dog's body through various routes, including ingestion, inhalation, and absorption through the skin. Once inside the body, it is also recommended to provide a balanced and nutritious diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids, as these can help strengthen. When it comes to our furry companions, it's important to be aware of common dog maladies and know how to address them. In this guide, we will explore the topic of common dog maladies and homemade remedies, as well as discuss when it is necessary to seek medical intervention for your beloved pet. First, we will delve into identifying common dog maladies by examining the symptoms and warning signs to watch out for. Then, we will explore the world of homemade remedies, offering safe and effective solutions for minor dog ailments that can be administered at home. Finally, we will discuss the critical aspect of knowing when to seek medical intervention, highlighting the red flags that indicate when your dog's health requires professional attention. By understanding these supporting points, we can ensure the well-being and happiness of our four-legged friends. There are numerous common maladies that can affect dogs, and it is important for dog owners to be able to identify the symptoms and causes of these conditions. One such malady is environmental toxicity, which can have detrimental effects on dogs. Environmental toxicity refers to the exposure of dogs to harmful substances in their environment, such as chemicals, pesticides, and pollutants. These substances can enter a dog's body through various routes, including ingestion, inhalation, and absorption through the skin. Once inside the body, these toxic substances can disrupt normal physiological processes and lead to a range of symptoms. For example, dogs exposed to environmental toxins may experience gastrointestinal issues, respiratory problems, dermatological disorders, or neurological abnormalities. In some cases, the symptoms may be acute and appear shortly after exposure, while in others, they may be chronic and develop over a longer period of time. It is crucial for dog owners to be aware of the potential sources of environmental toxins in their surroundings and take appropriate measures to prevent their dogs from being exposed. Regular veterinary checkups and prompt identification and treatment of symptoms are also essential in mitigating the impact of environmental toxicity on dogs. Ensuring the well-being of our beloved furry companions is of utmost importance for pet owners. That's why it's crucial to be able to identify common dog maladies. By recognizing the symptoms and warning signs of various illnesses, we can detect them early and provide timely treatment. Responsible pet ownership entails understanding the signs of illness in dogs. Dogs can suffer from a range of common maladies, including gastrointestinal issues, respiratory infections, skin problems, and musculoskeletal disorders. For example, keep an eye out for symptoms like vomiting, diarrhea, and loss of appetite, as these could indicate gastrointestinal problems. Similarly, if your dog is coughing, sneezing, or experiencing difficulty breathing, it might be a sign of a respiratory infection. Paying attention to changes in your dog's skin, such as itching, redness, or hair loss, can help identify potential dermatological issues. Furthermore, if you notice your furry friend limping, displaying stiffness, or showing reluctance to move, it may suggest musculoskeletal disorders. By staying vigilant and being aware of these symptoms and warning signs, pet owners can promptly seek veterinary care. This proactive approach allows for early diagnosis and effective treatment, ensuring the health and happiness of our furry companions. When it comes to taking care of their furry friends, pet owners are increasingly opting for homemade remedies to address minor ailments in dogs. These natural alternatives are gaining popularity due to their perceived safety and effectiveness. From soothing itchy skin to relieving ear infections and upset stomachs, homemade remedies offer a range of solutions for common issues. Imagine using a simple mixture of apple cider vinegar and water to bring relief to your dog's irritated skin. It's like giving them a mini spa treatment. And when it comes to ear infections, a warm chamomile tea bag can work wonders in alleviating discomfort. It's almost like a cozy, healing hug for their ears. But the benefits don't stop there. If your dog is experiencing an upset stomach, a bland diet of boiled chicken and rice can work like magic in settling their tummy troubles. It's like serving up a gourmet meal tailored to their needs. These homemade remedies not only provide pet owners with a sense of control over their dog's well-being, but they can also be a budget-friendly alternative to veterinary care. Why spend a fortune when you can find effective remedies right in your kitchen? However, it's crucial to remember that not all homemade remedies are safe or effective. To ensure your dog's health and safety, it's always important to consult with a veterinarian before administering any treatment. They can guide you in making the best decisions for your furry friend, combining the power of homemade remedies with professional expertise. So, go ahead and explore the world of homemade remedies for your dog's minor ailments. But always prioritize their well-being by seeking expert advice. Treating skin allergies. Treating skin allergies in dogs can be a challenging task for pet owners. But there are several effective home remedies and preventive measures that can help alleviate the symptoms and improve the overall well-being of the dog. According to the International Task Force on Canine Atopic Dermatitis, one of the most common types of skin allergies in dogs, it is important to identify and eliminate the allergens that trigger the allergic reaction. This can be achieved by keeping the dog's environment clean and free from potential allergens such as dust mites and pollen. Additionally, regular bathing with hypoallergenic shampoos can help soothe the dog's irritated skin and reduce itching. Another effective home remedy is the use of oatmeal baths, which have been found to provide relief from itching and inflammation. It is also recommended to provide a balanced and nutritious diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids, as these can help strengthen the dog's immune system and reduce the severity of allergic reactions. Furthermore, preventive measures such as regular grooming, maintaining a clean living environment, and avoiding exposure to known allergens can significantly reduce the occurrence and severity of skin allergies in dogs. By implementing these home remedies and preventive measures, pet owners can effectively manage and treat skin allergies in their dogs, improving their quality of life and overall well-being. Treating digestive issues. Dealing with digestive issues in dogs is a common challenge that pet owners often encounter. While there are plenty of commercial products out there to tackle these problems, many pet owners prefer to explore homemade remedies that are both natural and safe for their beloved furry companions. Fortunately, there are several homemade remedies that can effectively alleviate digestive problems in dogs, making it easier for them to enjoy their meals and live a happy, healthy life. One fantastic homemade remedy involves a delightful mixture of plain, unsweetened yogurt and canned pumpkin. Not only does this combination taste great, but it also works wonders for your furry friend's digestive system. Yogurt contains beneficial bacteria that can work their magic and restore the balance of gut flora in dogs. On the other hand, pumpkin is a fiber-rich ingredient that helps regulate bowel movements, ensuring that everything runs smoothly in your dog's tummy. But that's not all. Another remarkable homemade remedy, mentioned in the article, combines the powers of slippery elm and chamomile tea. Slippery elm is renowned for its soothing properties, capable of calming down inflammation in the digestive tract, providing much-needed relief for your dog. Meanwhile, chamomile tea adds its touch of magic by bringing a sense of calmness and easing any discomfort your furry companion may be experiencing. By opting for these natural remedies, pet owners are empowered with alternative options to effectively address digestive issues in their loyal canines. Not only do these remedies ensure the health and well-being of our four-legged friends, but they also provide a sense of satisfaction, knowing that we are taking care of them in the most natural and loving way possible. So, the next time your dog encounters digestive troubles, consider turning to these homemade remedies and witness the transformation in their overall health and happiness. Knowing when to seek medical intervention for your dog's health is not just important, it's crucial for their overall well-being. As a responsible dog owner, it's essential to be aware of the red flags that may indicate a serious health issue. Take notes, because according to the esteemed website homevetcare.com, there are several key signs that you should never ignore. First and foremost, keep a close eye on your dog's behavior and temperament. Dogs are creatures of habit, so any sudden change should be taken seriously. If your usually energetic and playful pup becomes lethargic, aggressive, or withdrawn out of the blue, it could be a sign of an underlying health problem. When it comes to your dog's digestive system, persistent vomiting or diarrhea is a cause for concern. These unpleasant symptoms could be indicators of a gastrointestinal issue or another underlying illness. While an occasional episode might not be a cause for panic, ongoing or severe symptoms should definitely prompt a visit to your trusted veterinarian. Breathe easy, but not too easy. Difficulty breathing, coughing, or wheezing can be red flags for respiratory problems or even heart disease. Your dog's respiratory health is no joke, so keep an eye out for any unusual sounds or struggles when they catch their breath. Let's talk about food, because it's a big deal for our furry friends. Any noticeable changes in your dog's appetite should not be ignored. If they suddenly lose interest in their favorite treats or exhibit excessive thirst, it could be their way of signaling a potential health issue. Keep a close watch on their eating habits, and don't hesitate to seek medical attention if something seems off. Last but not least, give your dog a thorough body check every now and then. If you come across any unusual lumps, bumps, or masses, it's essential to have a veterinarian examine them. Nobody wants to think about it, but these could be signs of tumors or other serious conditions that require immediate attention. By recognizing these important red flags and taking prompt action, you can ensure that your beloved furry friend receives the necessary care and treatment they need for optimal health. Your dog's well-being is in your hands, so stay vigilant and be the responsible owner they deserve. In closing, delving into the world of common dog maladies and DIY remedies can equip dog owners with invaluable knowledge. These homemade remedies, although occasionally effective for minor issues, should never overshadow the importance of recognizing when your precious pooch requires professional care. It is vital to stay vigilant, observing the intensity and longevity of symptoms, seeking guidance from a trusted veterinarian, and placing your furry friend's well-being above all else to gauge the need for expert intervention. Ultimately, your dog's health and happiness should forever reign supreme, and taking prompt action with the right medical assistance will guarantee their overall vitality.